Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have a really exciting unboxing to share with you. This is a true unboxing. It just arrived and I have not seen this item in person. I purchased it by phone and it was just delivered, so I'm really excited to share it with you and unbox it with you. It is an item from 22S. So let's get right into the unboxing. Here is the bag and this is the receipt. Okay, and the camellia fell off. These new, harder paper camellias do not stay on well at all for whatever reason, but that's okay. Okay, so here it is. Oh, I'm so excited to see this in person. All right, let's put this to the side. So you might be able to guess what it is based on the size and type of box it is. Okay, and here's the booklet and the dust bag to reveal. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay, so this is the heart, I think they call it the heart clutch on chain, something like that. So it is the size down from the largest heart bag. So the heart items basically came in 4 sizes. The smallest being the little wristlet, and then the waist bag is the next one up, and then this one, and then the larger bag. So this is I believe they call it clutch on chain, and it is in the gold lambskin with light gold hardware. Okay, let's take a look. It is so cute. And it's got the little back pocket. It's actually not as small as I thought it would be. I was picturing it being very small. So I know that from seeing other people's videos that cards will fit in here, which is good. It's a functioning turn lock. And then it's got this really cute detail with the heart zipper pull. And my nails sort of match it. That wasn't planned, but it's, oh my gosh, it's so cute. So here is how the chain attaches. So one is on, attaches at the front, the other at the back, which is good because it'll allow it to sit or hang properly when you wear it. And then the chain seems like a good length for crossbody. The larger bag has 2 zipper pulls. This one only has 1. It's actually pretty easy to open. And then because this is considered an SLG because it's a clutch on chain, it comes with an authenticity card, and that is the series 319. So this is the inside, and it was made in France, which is nice. So yeah, it's a fabric, sort of a beige colored fabric interior, and it is so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to have this. And it worked out well because, okay, it's a little harder to close that way. I'll have to see if I can get the hang of that. But yeah, I originally thought I wanted the black, but the gold I thought would be a good choice because I don't have a gold bag. So this is perfect, and it's small. I don't think I would want a really big gold bag, but this is perfect, and it's a subtle gold. It's not like a really flashy gold. I love how it has the back pocket. It's so, oh, it's so cute. It's such a cute size. It's actually not as small as I thought it would be. Some of the micro bags are a lot smaller than this, so I think it will be able to hold, especially because I can put cards in the front. I think it will be able to hold like cards and keys and lip balm and things like that. So I will do like a first impressions review and show it fits and everything in another video. This is just a quick unboxing, but I will share the price in Canadian. Let me just get the receipt. So the price is $4,075 plus tax, and that's Canadian dollars. Okay, so that is it for this unboxing. I do have one more item on the way from this collection, so I am looking forward to sharing that with you. It has not arrived yet though. So until then, thanks so much for watching. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks again and have a great day.